Right, it's Sunday evening. I've only got a couple of hours spare, so this is going to be a short video. And I've come up on top of Knapp Hill. Now I've got myself a new toy for the channel. Got myself a drone to get some aerial shots, but it's a little bit breezy up here. So I know there's a local club holds a net, and I brought my handheld with me as well. It's an old ICOM E92D. It's one of the first generation D-Star handhelds. Got an extended aftermarket whip on there, so I'm just going to call into the local net and see if I can make a couple of contacts. Yeah, M0 GQC portable, just listening in out on Knapp Hill. I just thought I'd give you a quick call, handheld only. Name this way is James.
James, well you're about, let's say about a 3 and 4. So that's your signal, and you said it was a handheld. So making a good job to come down here, but my takeoff up in that direction isn't 100%. The antenna's on the wrong side of the house for me to get you, but I'm certain that Ben right on the hill is not probably line of sight to you. So I'll let Ben
You must have worked me on top of a SOTA summit, have you? I'm sure I recognise the call sign from somewhere.
Yeah, you were on a long barrow. Probably last summer, and I think I was parked in some strange place. I can't remember where, but yeah, I was listening to you. I was coming back from Bath for something or other. I could hear you all the way back up through the valley, and yeah, you were absolutely booming signal. And then I worked you when I parked up, and you included my short call on one of your videos, over.
Yeah, like I said, I've gone for a slightly more simple setup today, just a handheld. I've got an old ICOM E92D, which is basically one of the first generation D-Star handhelds, running the full 5 watts, and just got a aftermarket handheld whip on top of that.
James, yeah, you've nice audio from that old E92, working very well. Nice audio from it. Yeah, I'm over 500 feet above sea level. I'm using a little TYT TX700 and about 10 watts.
That'll
James.
do it.
But yeah, but nice to. I think I don't think I've worked you before there, but yeah, certainly nice to meet you for the first time with a handheld up there in that hill. And yeah, nice. Thanks for calling in, and nice to meet you for the first time.
Thanks for welcoming me on your net, gents. Absolute pleasure to catch you on air, and like I say, catch you further down the logs from M0 GQC portable. Thanks a lot, gents. Well, that was quite successful. I wasn't sure how well this would work from here, but well, I suppose I got a really good takeoff, so it worked out quite nicely, and was able to copy and be heard by everyone else. So there you go. There's a trick for you if you've got an evening spare. Look up your local club when the local net is, and get yourself on top of a hill with a handheld and give them a shout.